Okay, this is the fourth page of the review. So let's take a look at this word problem. A football is kicked off the ground at an upward velocity of 49 meters per second. The path of the football is modeled with this equation, where h is the height and is measured in meters and t is time in seconds. All right, because we're dealing with real life situation, you would start your t-chart with 0, and you would go up 0, 1, 2, 3, that kind of thing. Especially if it's asking you for a specific time, you definitely want to make sure that that time ends up on your t-chart. This is asking for your first 10 seconds. So you go 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. These numbers get put back into the equation for your t. And then whatever you come out with every time you put in one of these numbers, that is what you get for your height. All right, this one asks you, what is the maximum height of the football? So that's when you're at the top of your parabola, that's your vertex. And we know that we use a negative b over 2a to get part of your vertex. Once you have that answer, then you put it back in your equation for the other piece of your answer. That will get you both the maximum height and how long. Because on our chart, this is height, on our graph, and this is time. So that will get you those two. Now, this one asks you when it's going to get back to 0. So you can use any method you know to get you back to 0 to solve your quadratic equations. My suggestion would be the quadratic formula. That would be a good one to use to get you back here. Give it a try.